Anthropic just launched Claude Opus 5, and there's something almost everyone is missing here. This isn't just another small upgrade to large language models. It's a direct attack on the two biggest challenges facing real-world AI builders: cost efficiency and deployment speed. So, if you're tired of burning through your GPU quotas just to run a chatbot or launch your SaaS MVP, this release really shakes things up. Efficiency is no longer just a buzzword, it's survival. That's true whether you're a startup founder, part of an enterprise team, or a solo developer trying to stretch every dollar and every hour. Let's talk about why this matters right now. The pace of new AI models is insane. But what most people aren't watching is the harsh back-end cost and the pressure on compute resources. Sure, model quality keeps getting better, but so do your inference bills. Developer expectations are rising fast. If you're deploying large language models, shaving even a second off response time or saving $1 per API call makes a huge difference. You get to run more experiments, iterate faster, and maybe even beat your competitor to market. Anthropic's Opus 5 isn't some luxury release. It's arriving at a moment when the industry desperately needs ways to do more with less. The rapid release cycles for Opus and Sonnet models are telling you price, speed, and reliability are the new standards, not just leaderboard scores. Here's what happened. Anthropic introduced Claude Opus 5, calling it their most efficient model so far. InfoWorld is already reporting real gains: faster inference times, lower resource usage compared to Opus 4.5. That means less GPU time per query, quicker responses for your app users, and lower latency for batch processing. This isn't just hype. Think about the timeline. Anthropic cut Opus 4.5 prices recently, released Sonnet 4 and Opus 4 before that, and now Opus 5 is debuting less than a year after its predecessor. This is not just about chasing OpenAI or Google. It's a classic enterprise move. Get faster, get cheaper, and get stickier with developers. Right now, Anthropic's aggressive approach is telling us the old AI deployment math is being rewritten on the fly. So, what does more efficient really mean beyond marketing speak? Opus 5 isn't just doing more with less. It's built from the ground up for modern GPU clusters and parallel processing. If you're batching tasks like generating code, summarizing documents, or automating reports, you'll get more throughput for every dollar spent. That means less time waiting for tokens to stream out. Real-world benchmarks show Opus 5 delivers up to 1.5 times more tokens per second compared to GPT-4 Turbo, and cost per task can drop by 20 to 30%. For developers working with this model, scaling up isn't a risky guess anymore. You can predict performance, avoid resource bottlenecks, and iterate faster. That's real value. Opus 5 lets you get more work done more quickly for less money, especially if your workflows depend on heavy LLM lifting. The industry impact is going to get intense. Startups running AI at scale, where every dollar really counts, will be the first winners. More efficient models mean more features launched, faster feedback, a longer runway. Large enterprises, like SaaS platforms using LLM-powered features, could rethink their entire tech stack. If Anthropic keeps accelerating, we'll see stronger demand for easier Azure and AWS integrations. And OpenAI, they're facing real pressure. GPT-4 Turbo is fast, but if Anthropic delivers cheaper, faster outputs for enterprise clients, developer spending could shift quickly. The losers will be teams stuck on older models or locked into rigid pricing plans. The pace is relentless. If you're not moving with Anthropic's cycle, you risk falling behind and building up technical debt. The LLM wars are shifting. It's no longer just about capability. It's about reliability, price, and keeping developers happy. So here's my take. This is actually underrated, not overhyped. Anthropic's focus on efficiency is exactly what smart teams need right now. Cost matters. Speed matters too. And Opus 5 isn't just showing off. It's going to force OpenAI and Google to step up or risk losing ground when enterprise budgets start